Two-piece set basically for the back area. Usually this comes in a set of two. The width of the patch would be around 8 to 8.5 inches and the height would be approximately 1.5 inches. The second piece, the width would be approximately 4 inches and the height would be approximately 1 inch. These are made from 100% human Remy hair, which is also double drawn, which makes it very premium. Colors available: darkest brown, dark brown, light brown, caramel highlights, caramel balayage. If you need to customize the color, we could do that as well. These extensions would last for approximately 2 years, and if you take care, maybe more. The weight is distributed between the two pieces, which makes it even more comfortable. You do have the flexibility of wearing one wide piece on a regular basis, and probably when you're going out and when you need a lot of volume, you can add the second piece as well. Two-piece set is perfect for someone who wants to add volume and length at the back area. The textures available are straight, natural wave and curly.